It's so pleasure to participate this leadership training program. It's my first time to participate such this kind of like event, and I learned a lot of things from this training session. But like three key insights from me is like this session is really creative and innovative, and mostly it's fun. So I learned a lot of things, and when I go back to Korea, I will definitely do what I learned from this session to my team members, and and then I can make our team really stronger and then hit the target at any time. Okay, thank you.
I found the training dynamic, exciting, and mind-opening.
I found it compact, fun, and enlightening.
I found party, socialize, difficult.
It was really comprehensive, and then also not just presentation style, but there lots of dialogue and lots of role play, so it was really enjoyable and then also easy to remember.
Yeah, I agree. It was super interactive, so that was a good part of it. It was emphasizing, I think, management best practices in a way that is far from the student world. So that was pretty cool to be able to have opportunities to apply it in fake situation, but looking really similar to our job, day-to-day job.
In the 3 days training, I used like another brain that is different from like normal work, and I enjoyed training. And there's a lot of role play and discussion with member. I recognize the gap between my current management and ideal management. For example, in the short test, I'm more diminished management, but I would like to be the multiplier management. I really appreciate LP and Rachel.